Now here I'll show you how it's work. First go to Floppy disk recover download page on SourceForge and download recover tool. Now here you can see the recover file is available on my document folder. Actually it's a very simple file, just only 47 kilobyte. Now we assume that you have floppy disk and few files are available on that. Here some guide is there. It's a Word document and also some PDF file and also some image type of documents, image, Word document, PDF file type of thing. Now I delete all these things. It is not only actually now it's completely deleted, right? Now what we need to do, go to recover on recover tool and just click it. Here there is a main window of the floppy disk recover. Actually this program created through the C++ in I think 10 years back. Now you first click enter here, then system automatically read your sectors and recover all the files on C recovery free recover 0 folder. It's okay, that's the thing. Now you can go to the particular folder C free recover. Here the recover folder, there are so many information are there. Here you can see now file, image file and also PDF file and also Word document, right? And there is some more information available on this file. And here there is an important document, floppy image. Actually floppy recover read all the sectors it can read, and again it's save as a disk image. Then if you are unable to recover some other information available on your document, you can manually use this floppy image file and manually you can recover. These are the main advantage of this recover.